Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make passport size photo in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make passport size photo in this document. Go to a blank page. Then go to the tools section and select the place tool. Then choose picture from our file. Then click open. Then place the picture to these pages. Now we want to make this picture size passport size. Firstly, click the picture, then go to the window menu and enable the transform option to make this picture passport size. Go to the transform menu and select the height and width, right, 2 by 2. Then press enter on our keyboard. Then zoom in this document, press Ctrl and roll our wheeler to on mouse to see this image. Now we can see we make our image passport size very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.